atake today.
Walking out in it clear.
Yes, John Kim. This is it. Ayun, wag kang masyadong umiyak. Ako lang naman to.
Leaving all my fears behind. Ooh, ride out into the sunset and treading this road at a high. Breaking way too far ahead, it's alright.
Parang oo, yung pag ganun ka. Labo.
Chasing moments, moving on to new things, new things. Are we moving on to new things, new things? Loving you and all the good things, good
Siguro, siniset up mo na ako para umiyak ako. Sure. Okay, siguro okay na his tall. Parang ganon. And for me, very distinct yung eyes niya. Latina. Charot. Joke lang. Bawal baka magalit si Pastor.
face. Well, I've another face. Another face.
You won't believe it, and strange as it sounds, extraordinary magic follows you around, and the camera can't catch it.
Okay naman. Bale, LDR kami. Parang since 2019. So, 6 years kaming LDR. Pero, yun nga, since based siya sa Singapore, doon ako, nalipat ako sa Malaysia. So, medyo naging short distance na yung LDR.
Madalas mag-chat and lagi akong sinasabayan until hinahatid na ako.
Parehas kami ng training, ng bootcamp sa Accenture. And, same way kami pag umuwi.
Ayun, dun sa bootcamp namin kasi nagchat-chat siya. Medyo parang gano'n, na-develop na. Mas nagkakakilanlan kami.
Look into your eyes, I see it, I see it. Swear I do, I see extraordinary magic in you.
So, yun, parang doon na-develop siguro na always kami magkasabay sa MRT. And doon na-develop, then one day, parang tinanong ka na siya kung pwedeng manligaw.
Sobrang feeling blessed na, alam mo yun, I didn't have to meet other people, trial and error sa ibang tao. I'm happy na na-meet ko siya. And
Siguro, yung first is, mapagmahal sa family niya. Giver siya. Like, hindi siya madamot when it comes to her family.
iniintindi niya ako lagi, inuuna niya ako lagi. Ayun, parang yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. And siguro another thing is, medyo swak yung humor talaga namin. So,
Talagang nagustuhan ko sa kanya din, sa akin din. Rin siya, mapagbigay din siya for sa akin.
Extraordinary magic in you.
maraming nagsasabi na matagal ang 10 years, pero para sa akin, sakto naman. It's exactly what I wanted at yun ang binigay mo. Salamat sa laging pag-intindi at pagbibigay ng kailangan at gusto ko.
Ganun kalalim at ganun katindi ang totoong pag-acknowledge, pagsamba at pagbibigay ng ating sarili sa Panginoon Diyos. So if we apply that in the case of this marriage, ganun din. When you make this sacrifice, this is your true and proper expression of love towards one another.
I don't have all the words.
Hi, sadness!
But I wanna bring you something true, something that moves you.
Ganda yan! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Thank you! Thanks! Thank you!
This one phrase,
Baka ikaw hindi ka iiyak, pero ako, huwag mo ko tatawanan ha.
I say it, I mean it, it's true, and I hope you can see.
Be, thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng pag-intindi, pagsuporta, lahat ng pag-unawa mo sa akin.
Walang katulad ang buhay mag-asawa na pinagpala ng Diyos. Masaya, puno ng kagalakan, sigla, at mga pangarap, parang lahat ng bagay ay posible at kaya ninyong gawin.
I think I'm just excited and gusto ko lang talaga enjoy yung day. Sana hindi makaramdam ng kaba. Right now, hindi pa naman.
And I'm sure the angels sing beautiful melodies, but I wanna.
So yeah, so we will grow old together. I'm excited to grow old together with you. I love you so much. Irene Nicole Reyes, Indiongko Escobar. Love you.
My life, from the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul, and with all of my.
Don't worry. I know the Lord have plans, good plans for us. Sasama rin tayo eventually. Yun lang. Ingat lagi. See you later. Love you.
Thank you kasi lagi mong pinapakita na ako yung pinipili mo at mahal na mahal mo ako. Ito. Saan ba yun? Ito. I like it. No, really. Wala akong favorite flower. Gusto ko lang yung pa-heart.
I love you.
I can't wait for a lifetime of joy, sadness, anger, even disgust, and all other emotions with you. I love you so much, John Kim. To more sasabog ang puso moments with you.
All it took was a little flame, a little flame. All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. What a joy, what an honor that I can say I get to wake up to your beautiful face. All it took was a little flame, a little flame. All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. What a joy, what an honor that I can say I get to wake up to your beautiful face. From the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul and with all of my strength, here is my heart in just one phrase. I love you, I love you, I love you. When I say it, I mean it, it's true. And I hope you can see it in all that I do. I know it might be nothing new, but I love you, I love you, I love you, I do. Oh, I love you, I do. And it's nothing new, but still I choose. I love you, 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 I do. Oh, I love you, I do. And it's nothing new, but still I choose. I